everyone, Prestito here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some AI projects, which I'm really bullish on. And as you guys know, in the market at the moment, things seem to be picking up again, which is really pro. Everyone predicts Q1 2025 to be pro. But specifically, AI agents and AI projects are really leading the way. They've been pumping like crazy, while other tokens have been sitting quite stable or bleeding out a bit. So you really need to be focusing on AI projects, AI agents and everything like that. I have been, and I'm going to be covering a lot of these in the near future, whether it's currently launched projects or projects that are coming up with pre-sales, which I think pre-sales will be doing really well soon too. So definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe and stay updated. But let's get started with the 4 projects I'm going to be covering in this video. First of which is MicroGPT. So as you can see, this is a project that involves AI agents and it's AI related. Like I said, I'm going to be covering these type of projects, especially in the near future. So in terms of MicroGPT, you can think of it as a sort of Grammarly for code, which is basically an AI agent that saves time by automating coding tasks like generating code, optimizing it, detecting bugs, and even performing reviews and things like that. And what makes it really interesting is it can actually interact with other AI agents to offer these type of things. So as I said, it's built to make coding smarter, faster, more efficient, and it's got features like real-time context-aware suggestions, automated code refactoring, intelligent debugging, and support for multiple coding languages. So it's really, really impressive. And it's going to offer different products like its dashboard, where you can manage GitHub projects, analytics, and announcements really easily. They've got their micro editor, which is coming soon, which is a lightweight and AI enhanced, which is perfect for optimizing code and organizing projects and so on. Then they're going to have their extension and plugin, which is for error correction, predictive suggestions, and even understanding logic behind your code. And then there are micro alerts as well, which is automated updates and announcements to keep your team in the loop. And this is via Telegram bot, so you can set it up however. Also, what's really cool is they've got a code to earn model, which is going to be introduced, which rewards development, obviously, with micro tokens. What's really impressive is that they've got already over 100 million lines of code analyzed. And what they basically aim to do is to turn ideas into fully functional MVPs within minutes. And that helps teams obviously with their prototypes faster than ever. And if you compare it to some competitors in terms of market cap, which we'll be going through shortly, you got GitHub Copilot at 7 billion market cap, Reploy 1.2 billion, JetBrains 10 billion, Atlassian 64 billion, MicroGPT. We'll be covering the market cap shortly, so you can see just how undervalued it is compared to some of its competitors. Also, they've got staking, which you can check out over here, stake.microgpt, where obviously the longer you stake it, you get better APY. So now let's go to the price. You can see it did have a decent pump recently. So I would recommend you guys to find an entry, maybe wait for some dips if you're looking to get involved with MicroGPT. In terms of the markets it's trading on, it's obviously on Uniswap, MEXC, Gate.io, most likely some other exchanges coming. But you can see the FTV is only $23 million market cap. So it's, in my opinion, still really undervalued. But it is worthwhile to wait for a dip, in my opinion. Although the market is looking like it's heating up. So obviously it's a risk of waiting for that. But in my opinion, load up on dips. And of course, as always, do your own research. It's just my opinion on this token. So the next project I'm going to be talking about is Reploy. Also AI focused project. As you can see, the AI ecosystem built for blockchains. So let's talk a bit about what Reploy is all about. So it's a platform that plans to change the game for blockchain developers by combining AI powered tools, autonomous agents, and real-time analytics. So if you're building in DeFi protocols or NFT marketplace, or you just want to make custom smart contracts, Reploy will make it faster, easier, and safer. So to break it down a bit, it's a development platform that helps you improve your workflow so you can build, deploy, and manage smart contracts in record time while having extra safety, always obviously very important. So you can create your first AI powered smart contract in less than 5 minutes. It's obviously really fast. And what makes it stand out compared to competitors, it's got its AI editor, where you can generate and deploy secure smart contracts using natural language descriptions with real-time security analysis to keep your code safe. It's going to have autonomous agents, so AI agents, which are going to monitor blockchain activity, execute strategies, and protect your assets 24/7. Oracle Analytics, where you can access real-time market insights, and on-chain analytics powered by AI. Then also cross-chain support, so you can deploy and build across all different blockchains with easy tools that make your life really easy. So it's also going to bring powerful market intelligence, where it's going to use AI to analyze patterns across 700 plus chains, which will give you insights to help you stay ahead. Here you can see kind of how it's going to look. You can actually already try the Reploy editor, and in terms of their pricing, you can see here this is for developers obviously, but all in their token as well. If we have a look at their token now, we can see it's currently sitting at $6, so around $60 million market cap. So it is quite pumped, also this one, but it just released recently, back on the, you can see December 24th. So this is one to monitor as well, also one to add to your watch list and maybe load up on dips as well. But you can see it's really a promising project and overall really prep. Then the next project I'm going to be talking about is Nosana. Also AI related project, as you can see, where AI meets decentralized compute. So let's talk a bit about what is Nosana exactly. So it's a decentralized platform that connects people who need powerful GPUs for AI tasks with those who have idle GPUs that aren't doing anything. So it's basically like a marketplace for renting or earning from GPU resources, which makes AI computing affordable and efficient. So how it works exactly is, if you have a GPU that you're not using, you can rent out your unused GPU power and earn passive income while supporting AI innovation. And for AI users, you can access a global network of GPUs to run AI models, train algorithms, and complete tasks without expensive infrastructure or long-term contracts or anything like that. So in terms of some of their key features, they've got their on-demand compute, where you can get access to thousands of GPUs worldwide anytime you need. Also, they're affordable and scalable, so they've got dynamic pricing, which keeps prices low, perfect for startups, researchers, and students as well. Then high performance, so it's specialized for AI inference tasks to ensure speed and efficiency, and of course secure as well, always very important. In terms of their community growth, also really impressive. They've got a really big community. They've got open source technology. They've got over 2,000 nodes running AI jobs and over 7 million plus NOS tokens distributed amongst that. And why Nosana stands out, of course, affordable AI compute power, no lock-in contracts and bottlenecks, and enables anyone to monetize unused GPU power easily. Also, some of their accomplishments, which are really impressive. They've already onboarded over 1,000 GPU providers, and they introduced staking for GPU providers. The test grid has transitioned to a production-ready state, so the mainnet's coming soon, which I'm going to be covering shortly. Also here we can see the network summary in terms of stakers. 14,099 stakers with $82 million staked. Market cap is around 237 million, price $2.84. We'll be covering more about the price shortly. Here we can see, with regards to their mainnet, we can see main grid January 14th, in about 2 weeks. And of course, if you're in crypto a while, you know, with mainnet coming up, it causes some hype and can usually result in the price pumping. So in terms of the price, it's actually on a decent dip at the moment. Obviously the market was bleeding since around 20 December. It wasn't good. You can see the market cap is sitting around 240 million. The price is around 2.86. If we have a look at the all-time chart, it seems pretty good entry at the moment. I think it's got tons of potential and worth looking into. So definitely recommend to add that to your watch list as well if there's any dips to load up. As usual, do your own research as well. Then the last project we'll be talking about is Sentient AI, which just launched recently actually on some top launch pads. But basically it's an AI agent capable of human-like thinking and feeling, and it's a chatbot and personal assistant as well. And it's going to have its own launchpad, which these tend to do really well. And first launches on these launchpads are always worth aping, so definitely worth keeping an eye on that one. And in terms of the Sentient AI price, we can see here on Polkasata, it was 2 cents a token, and currently it's only sitting at about 2x on a decent dip. So I think it's got the potential for growth, as listed on Sui, and they're going to be integrating Sui with their launchpad as well. So I think Sentient AI is definitely one worth adding to a watch list and staying up to date. A bit of a riskier one since it is quite low market cap, volume's quite low, but the entry seems quite safe, and it launched on really good launch pads. They tend to have good performance, and a lot of these projects launch low and they have a decent pump after. So I'm curious to see how this one is going to play out. So thanks very much for watching. I definitely recommend you guys to check out all these projects in the videos. Definitely stay as clued up as you can with AI agents and AI projects in general, because those are just going to be flying like crazy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.